Welcome to Promotional Videos, and why video marketing works. In a moment, I'm going to show you how video marketing can be used, and why it is so important. Stop using content marketing and start using video marketing instead. So please watch this 10-part series. It will change your life.
Video is arguably the most powerful, trending mode of marketing and communication today. It drives more engagement than any other form of content out there. It boosts conversions like few other things can. It's seen as a must-have for any business, both because it's indicative of their ability to keep up with the times, and also because it's what audiences want. As humans in the information age become increasingly less interested in reading textual content, and more interested in quick and easy gratification and passive entertainment, video is increasingly replacing, or at least displacing, most other forms of content marketing. Here are some stats that may shed some light on this powerful trend. 64% of consumers are more likely to buy a product after viewing a video. 50% of executives look for more information after seeing a video about a product or service. 87% of online marketers are using video content. 1/3 of all online activity involves watching video content. Video ads make up over 35% of total online ad spend. And the enjoyment of video ads increases purchase intent by 97% and brand association by 139%. In addition to the stats and trends above, video carries with it several other benefits. Firstly, consumption is more likely with video content. People are becoming less and less likely today to read through textual content in its entirety. You can blame public schools or pop culture or whatever, but that's a fact. And it applies to everything from ebooks and reports to blog posts and articles. Consumption of video requires less effort on the part of your audience, and more information can be digested in a shorter amount of time. Secondly, video has the potential to appeal to and accommodate more learning styles. Text is just text. Audio is just audio. But video can be just about anything. Depending on the style of video presentation, a video can be mostly or partly textual. In those cases, a video, assuming it's narrated, can appeal to visual, textual, and auditory learners all at the same time. No other mode of communication has this type of versatility. Finally, although this may come as a shock, video content can actually be easier to produce. This depends, of course, on a number of factors. If a video is in either talking head or screen recording format, it can actually be quicker to produce and convey than writing an article or blog post. This assumes that the videos don't require large amounts of editing or post-production. Even explainer-style videos can be easier and quicker to produce than textual content in some cases, provided that you're skilled enough at throwing explainer videos together. It's also worth noting that with video content, there's no need for proofreading, which can take up a lot of production time by itself. So now that we've established that video is a non-negotiable for any business that hopes to grow online, let's talk about how to start your video marketing journey.
In the next video, I will show you why social media, especially Facebook and YouTube, are so important in getting your message across. Let me know in the comments below what you would like to learn about video marketing. Please like and subscribe so you can get a lot of ideas on what the best and latest innovative products are and how to use them.